Let's go through some tips to keep your QLeave registration active and make sure you don't miss out on your long service leave. 1. Log in to the QLeave portal. You can use the QLeave portal to check your service record, update your contact details, and claim your leave. 2. Read your statement carefully every year to make sure your employer has reported the correct service. If there's any service missing from your statement, talk to your employer and ask them to add it for you. 3. Keep track of your QLeave worker number and give it to each new employer. You can find your worker number on your annual statement or by logging into the QLeave portal. 4. Add an authorized contact to your registration. You can give someone else permission to speak to us on your behalf, update your details, and submit a long service leave claim. You can find more information about adding authorized contacts on our website. These are just a few things you can do to make sure your QLeave registration is up to date and you don't miss out on the leave you've earned. If you have any questions or want to know more, go to www.qleave.qld.gov.au. You can also call us on 1300 753 283 or email us at cci@qleave.qld.gov.au.